But if I'm doing like a sit-down video, I do put it in the video mode so that I can, you know, set it like the way I want it, the light that I want. So.
Wanna make it till morning.
No, I be going. Keep going. Open the gate.
It's so cold.
Now let me open it.
I like to open it like this.
No, keep going.
Yes, but dog. Yes, dog. That's bigger.
Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Guys, it's early in the morning. This is some minutes past 7, so I'm going to the kindergarten to drop Ubona. My kids, they are on holiday, Easter holiday, but Ubona is still going to kindergarten. So they are home. Let me go ahead and drop Ubona. After then, I have to go to store. I have to go to store to buy some things, especially because I want to start, you know, giving my baby solid. So I'll be selecting some today. I will try it whether he will like it, definitely, because we need to, you know, start learning how to eat solid food. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do this morning. Yeah, guys, I'm under the weather, guys. I've been having cough like since 3 days now. Headache, like I'm really not feeling fine, to be honest. But yeah, what can we do? Even if you are sick or you are not sick, you must do your mommy's duty. Yeah. So I will see you guys later, okay? Yeah. Welcome back to my vlog, guys. I'm back from shopping. Yeah. So this is everything that I got. Just as I said before that I want to, you know, start giving my baby solid. So I went to the store to select some food, you know, so I picked like different types. So I bought milk as well. This is the particular one that I bought. So this one here is a Mish Brai, almost the same like Cerelac. This is for morning, which I'll be giving it because they have morning, they have afternoon and evening, but I just picked only this one because I don't want to buy like too much. Let me see whether he will like it. Okay, so this is his water, some baby food that I picked. This one is with banana and this one is apple. So this one is apple with cookies, as well as this one. So I picked like many different types. This is another type as well. So guys, I will go ahead now. Let me, because my baby have not eaten, let me go ahead and try now that he have not eaten and he's hungry. So he expected me to bring milk or breastfeed him. So I'm going to try this right now to see how, you know, he's going to take it. So let's go ahead and, you know, try it together and see if he's going to take it or not. Okay? Yeah. So guys, just like I'm really trying this time around, you know. In New Year I told you guys that like I will be so intentional about what I'm going to be buying this year. I'm only going to buy what I need, not what I want, because I'm so proud of myself. Because I went to Lidl this morning, guys. Like if you see some new stuff they brought, my God, you're definitely going to choose one or two from it. But when I saw it, I look at it, I say, wow, this is beautiful. But guys, I closed my eyes and just, you know, left there without even taking any one of them. And when I came out, I said, wow, I'm so proud of myself. Like this year, I promised myself that I'm going to save more and spend less, and I'm really doing it. Okay, yeah. And another tip again is that if you're going to shopping, don't go with your card. I don't go to shopping with my card again. If I'm going, I'll just write what I want, and then I know amount of money that I'm going to spend. Then I have to have the cash at hand. I'm not going with my card anymore. So that is one thing that are helping me as well. So I'm really trying. So proud of myself. Yeah. So let's go ahead and prepare this food for baby and see if he's going to take it or not. David is hungry. David is hungry. David, say hello. Say hello to everyone. Look at my yellow bubble. He's hungry, guys. Let me see whether he's going to eat. So this is the bride. So this is the food. I have already done it. Daddy, I hope you are going to eat. I hope you are going to eat. Let me put your bib. Let me put your bib here. 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 You're looking at yourself, eh? Hmm? Hmm? It's lekker. It's yummy. It's yummy. Maybe he likes it though. Is it yummy? Go take it. You like it? Oh my God. You like it? Guys, he's eating though. He's eating. Okay. Wow. Good boy. Good boy. He's quiet too, and he's eating. Whoom. Good boy. Dede. Guys, he's really eating. Oh God, I'm surprised. Like, I'm very, very surprised. Wow. I'm impressed, guys. Though he spit some out, but oh, he said I should be bringing it like very fast. I should bring it like so fast. Oh my God, guys, I'm so happy that he's taking it though. I should be, guys, he said I should be bringing it like so fast. Oh my God, this is a surprise though. Yeah, no, I should bring it. Hey. You like it? Guys, I'm so impressed, to be honest. Good. Take it. You need to sing, like sing until you are tired. If you want them to eat, you need to sing, eh? You need to talk. You need to, distract them. Dede. Good boy. Jesus baby. Jesus baby. Jesus baby. Jesus baby. Like, guys, he's eating it. Like, I love it. Like, he's really trying. Yeah, this my baby tried though. You have tried, don't eat anymore. No. Good boy. Look at yourself there. Yeah? Tell them that you tried. Tell them that you tried. He's just looking at me. Guys, I'm so impressed. Like, I'm so impressed this morning. He ate like half of the food, which I didn't even expect. We are done eating our breakfast, yeah, and baby is sleeping right now. So I came back from the shopping. I received this package, like it's 2 here. So we are going to be unboxing it and we are going to see what is inside, okay? So let's start from this. Oh, it's already open. So guys, look at this here. This is a lens adapter for Canon M50, okay? I have this camera. Let me show you guys. I have this camera. Like, this is what, this what motivated me to start YouTube, because on my birthday, I think 2020, yeah, 2020, when I have my birthday, so this was the gift I received from my husband, Canon M50. So I was, using it to do, when I go to church, I snap, I'll be using it to snap picture and doing video. But at the end of the day, when we now enter into, COVID, so I use that opportunity to be using it to do like a YouTube video. Then I love to use it when I'm doing like a sit-down video, because if you go to shop now, you are carrying this camera, I don't want that attention. So I'm not that comfortable, taking my camera out for vlogging. But if you see that video, even when I was pregnant, I did not even use it for once, except this recent video that I did, this African clothes haul that I did. That was when I used my camera. The person he bought the camera from, this is the lens that came with it. This is they call it like a pancake. This is FM 22mm, okay, 22mm. That is okay, it's good, but it's not that like good. Okay, so at the end of the day I said, okay, let me go ahead and change the lens. So this is it, guys. Okay, this is the lens that I bought. So at the end of the day I realized that without adapter I cannot use this lens in this camera. Okay, that's why I go ahead and bought this adapter. So let's go ahead and check it. Okay, so this is it. This is manual. So guys, this is how the adapter is. Okay, and then you have to open it here as well. So this is it, guys. I'll go ahead now and fix it here and fix it in this my camera. Okay, so this is it, guys. So let's go ahead and unbox this lens, guys, so that we see how it's going to match with this adapter. I got it like not that expensive. That's why, because I would have not even bothered to get another lens because I don't normally use my camera. So but because of it was like a good deal, so look at it. So this is it, guys. So this is a fit. Look at it, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and fix it. So guys, look at it. Look at it. I don't even know the quality this lens is going to give to me, but whenever I use it to film a video, I'm going to let you guys know. Maybe my next sit down video. Right now I can't really tell if the other lens is better or this one is better. Why I love this lens is because it's very light. Okay, it's very light. Like if I'm using it to vlog outside, it's not a problem. Just that I don't love, you know, vlogging with camera outside, and it's very light. This one here is not that heavy, just because of the adapter. It's kind of a little bit big, yeah. But it's not a problem. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. So I'll be using it for my sit down video. Okay, yeah. So that is it, guys. And one thing I realized, like when I got this M50, Canon M50, I was using it in video mode. So to set it is a little bit difficult, but if you put it in a AV mode, so it's going to adjust by itself. Like any play that you entered, it will adjust the light, or a peak, which is picture style, to see, because it helps to adjust the light wherever you are, if you are using it to vlog. Okay, but if I'm doing like a sit down video, I do put it in the video mode so that I can, you know, set it like the way I want it, the light that I want. So that is it for this morning vlog, guys. I hope you enjoy, you know, spending a little time with me. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please, if today is your first time here, you are welcome. I'm glad that you are here. Don't hesitate to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. For my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really see you all and I appreciate you all. Okay, so I will leave you guys here till in my next video, guys. Bye. Bye.